under it I will say okay, dot set on item click listener. This one, when someone click on the item, I will say new on item click listener. I don't know why this one is not working for button click. So yes, when someone click on the item, so what I have to do, I just want to take phone number and send it to other page, and the other page will work with it. So all I have to do, I say okay, I have adapter item, the adapter item. Is it adapter item? It was Sarah. Then we call the load location. Okay, and here we go. So now what I would do, before I'm loading the map, I need to load user location according to phone number. So if you go to the Firebase, you will see every user have location, and this is the information for location. So we could listen to the location in same way we listened before to the in the main activity. If you remember, when we was listening, we listen to the finder. So you could listen to user location, just take all this one and copy it and go back to the map activity and add this code here for the location. You know, we still have two things missing from map. It is for data references, so define it app, and also you have to go down here and initialize it. So we need to initialize it after when the map loaded, before the map loaded. So before I'm doing anything, just after the activity, I just initialize it. So when I initialize it, I get the phone number. So I say, please load, I need to load the information for the load number, for the user phone number, any phone number I send to him, but I want to get location. So now I want access to the location. Okay. Now if I go here and expand it here, you see a lot of work, but I will not use all this code, and I don't need all this code. All what I needed is just some information. So all this code I don't need this. Now what 2D may have. So if you go here 2D, we get access to the listener location. So it have last online location, lat log. So if I go back here to my project, say I just do this way, I get latitude from the double force td.get, because it is hash map, so it's key and value. I'm sending key, I am asking for key, I give it key name, lat, he give me value, log, and last online location. So in this way, lat log last online location, you have it. If you see, I have lat log now for the last user location. I would add in the Sydney, but Sydney he already prepared for us. If you see it here, it doesn't have any Sydney now. Sydney it is a private now, so it is better to take it up and make it public, because I don't need to initialize it using this way. So I need to initialize it from this place, so it's public now. So now when it's public, I have last online location. So now when everything is done, yes, here it is time to show the map. So when he loads the map, also it's better to take this one and make it public, not a private, so I could display the data for it. So yes, when he get the location, he will load the map is loaded, and it will display the map on this location. So it is better, we say here instead Sydney, here we say last online and give it last time he was online, and that's great. So just to remember you, when the application will start, I just get bundle phone at the phone number, then I'm listening for the phone number location. So I just getting the location value for the person that have lat lag dash dot inline. Then I'm loading the map. When I sending the map, it load the fragment, and the fragment will display, will go to that point and do it in new. It is better to go to that point, yeah, not just move it. It's better to say not a new lag lot, say a new lag lot with zoom. So just do some zoom for like 15, for example, just go to that point. Here we go, now it's running. I hope when I click on name I'll see its location. So here we go, this is the location for Hussein. If I click, I will see he say last online in this time. So yes, now it's great. Now anyone he add me as a person could track him here So I will see its location. Now emulator could see my location, but I'm not the emulator. I'm a different person. I'm Hussein. Now I add myself, so I could track myself. So because here I added myself, so I could track myself. If I remove it, it's gone. So I'm tracking myself only. So try to add other members. So and see what's happening. You will see list of people, anyone. When you click on it, you will see its location on the map. It's really awesome and great. And yes, that's what we did. Thank you for watching and see you next.